You through our Module 6 and a Module Math assessment. So on the first problem when you log in, it says D shades an array with 5 columns of 4 squares. Which array does D shade? So remember, you're thinking 5 columns, 4 squares. There are 4 options here. There are 4 options here. You'll select the one that matches. Here it says Juan draws a rectangle with 5 columns of 5. Then he separates 2 columns of 5 as shown. So see, he separates the 2 columns of 5. Drag a number to each box to complete the number bond and repeated addition sentences for the 2 parts of his rectangle. So he had 5 columns of 5, then he made 2 columns of 5 and blank columns of blank. So here, this and this is about this right here. And this is about this right here. Johanna made 4 arrays with different numbers of square tiles as shown. You're going to match each array with the number sentence that shows the total number of tiles it contains. So here are the 4 arrays. You're going to drag the repeated addition into the box. One column of an array uses square tiles as shown. Damon adds 3 more columns of square tiles to the array. Which repeated addition sentence shows how to find the total number of square tiles in Damon's new array? Use paper to show your work. Select the correct answer. So think, he has 1 now. He's going to add 3 more columns. So think what one that would be. An array of squares is shown. If 1 column is removed, which array would be left with the remaining squares? So they're going to take away 1 column from the array, and then you'll pick the one that'll now match. Which set of objects shows an odd number? Select the 2 correct answers. You need to pick 2 of them. Drag a number to each box to create a true sentence. Then complete the statement to use matching odd or even. So you'll finish these first, and then you'll notice here the first number is even, so they put even, and the next number is odd, so they put odd. And the answer is odd, so they put odd. You'll do the same for the problems. And lastly, it says drag a word to each box to correctly complete each statement. So the number of circles in the array is, your options are even or odd. If you move 1 circle away from the array, the new number of circles would be even or odd. Okay? When you're all finished, after you've dragged them all in, you'll press submit. You'll press the submit button again. And just as we have done before, you're going to go to Freckle or Zern if you need to catch up.